Telecom providers are at the heart of society's digital transformation. To excel in this digital age, they have to leverage opportunities.
Almost everyone has a smartphone which is using for buying product, for looking for information, and then also for experiencing the brand. People are changing their behavior, moving from normal text to different kind of messaging services, moving from standard television services to online streaming. We have far more competitors than in the past, and the customer experience will be the key success factor for the future.
TDC Group, the largest telecom company in Denmark, partnered with TCS 7 years ago.
TDC ambition is to continue as a market leader, very much focused on building the best Danish network and also to open to the best digital opportunities. We have started our partnership 7 years ago. TCS has provided us with the best resources in the telco and IT services and also has leveraged all the capability for FDM.
There are two major programs TCS developed to help TDC Group achieve its objectives.
Powered by our Machine First delivery model, we have utilized Ignio to automate all possible IT operations for TDC. Ignio's cognitive automation mimics human decision-making and automate complex IT activities autonomously. The end users are provided with tools for self-heal and self-help and self-services so that they can have a best-in-class IT security services as well.
In partnership with TCS, we are developing our EPIC program, which has the aim of improving our IT infrastructure and also provide the best of customer experience.
We have developed an intelligent customer-centric solution through Machine First delivery model with an aim to improve the delivery agility. In order to achieve that, we have built two comprehensive state-of-the-art fully automated test environments which would help us test application using real-time anonymized customer journey data.
We have automated 95% of our testing coverage. On top of that, we have also tracked the real-time, the customer experience and the customer journey. TCS is an important partner for us in order to design the future architecture, but also to develop high-standard solutions and to make our system stable and resilient.
With this, TDC Group is providing the best of customer experience to its customers with the help of TCS's Machine First delivery model.